Hello, my name is Hikon. I'm Lian Sase Humble TV. Iti ana Miss News Roundup tonight. Central Institute of Horticulture, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India bra organized kurigina aji Farmers Hostel inaugurate kurishi aro Beekeepers Summit loishi Medzipe made. Aji laga summit to virtually loishi aro bee farming laga opor kotha kurishi. Summit address kurigina Dr. N.K. Patel, Additional Commissioner, Horticulture, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Director, Central Institute of Horticulture, Naglin bra koshi ki bee farming bra bishi farmers kange economy de motop diwo aro idu logote hani laga importance pe utibo goshe. Dr. Patel aro goshi ki idu scheme do farmers kange palbra advantage lobole lagi goshe. IB itu opor ekta ground report amikan laga reporter sungmo logode sabo.
Very happy to share this information today. Our Honorable Agriculture Minister Sri Narendra Singh Tomar and Madam Shri Shobha Karandalaje, Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, in the presence of Honorable Secretaries from State Government of Nagaland, have inaugurated the Farmers Hostel, and also they have started the Beekeeper Summit that is running in the institutes. Here I would like to mention that we have one national beekeeping and honey mission and that has been launched in 2021 with the allocation of rupees 500 crore. So, in Nagaland and other parts of the states, there is a lot of potential about the beekeeping, and especially the small and marginal farmers, they can take the advantage of this scheme, because this scheme has been designed for promotion of beekeeping, especially honey sector in northern region and also in other part of the country. So right now we are focusing some components especially designed under the mission, which will give the boost to the sector, and also in near future to increase the income of farmers, especially doubling the income of farmers, which is the motto of our Honorable Prime Minister. That scheme will give special attention to address the issues in honey sector and also to increase the income of farmers. Apart from that, this institute is running various programs for upliftment of farmers, like trainings for farmers, rural youth, especially in nursery production and also in your beekeeping. Then apart from that, we are also running very special design program in post-harvest management. So many rural youth and also some farmers are coming across the northern states and they are taking some programs, and we are also running one certificate course for 3 months on post-harvest management. Apart from that, we have one 1 month course on skill development program, especially for gardening and floriculture. So these are all programs through our Central Institute of Horticulture we are giving to the farmers for their upliftment and for their increasing the income of farmers. Thank you.
I'm here at this venue for attending the Beekeepers Summit come Horti Expo here at Central Institute of Horticulture, Medzipe. Through this forum today, I would like to urge upon each and every one of you that conservation and protection of the honeybees is very, very vital for human survival and not only for economic sustainability. And therefore, I would urge that each one of us should take up beekeeping as not only as a hobby, but in order to conserve and protect the environment.